Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We are seconds away from inflation report. Please stand by. Here we go. See what the market does. We are coming into CNBC with all the latest developments, and let's see how the market reacts. Seconds away. Let's refresh the Bloomberg terminal.
Breaking news this morning. Personal income, durable goods, GDP, second time around the block on second quarter, and here we are at 8:30 Eastern, and the news is hitting the wires. On GDP, second look remains at 1.5, and if we look at consumption, it improves from 3.2 to 3.4, the best pace since the third quarter of 25. If we look at the price index, 6.4. Unfortunately, it moved up 0.2 from 6.2. 6.4 would be the warmest going back to the high water mark of the second quarter of June 22, and that was 9.3. Now, if we look at Core PCE, a same scenario, gets warmer. 3.6 versus 3.4. 3.6 would be the warmest since 4.4 in the first quarter of this year. Now, let's look at income and spending. Personal income beats expectations by twice. We're looking for up 0.2, comes in at up 0.4. That's the best since May of this year when it was up 0.7. If we look at spending, also it's a beat, up 0.2. We're expecting 0.1. Rearview mirrors up 0.3. If we look at real spending adjusted for inflation, unchanged as expected. That does follow up 0.4. We had back-to-back 0.4. So we are coming off some pretty good numbers on real spending. Now, if we look at the personal consumption numbers, let's start out month over month, up 0.2. We're expecting up 0.1. That follows minus 0.2, minus 0.1 in the rearview mirror. If we look at year over year PCE, 3.7, 0.1 warmer than expected, equals where we were our last look. And if we look at core month over month, up 0.2 as expected, following an up 0.1. And now, in my opinion, the most important of the PCEs, the core PCE year over year, and that comes in at 3.3, exactly as expected and exactly as it was our last look. Let's look at durable good orders now. This is a July preliminary, which means in a couple weeks, we'll fine-tune it a bit, expecting up 0.5, double, up 1.1%. That is powerful. That is the second best of the year, and the best, of course, was a very powerful 8.5. That was in April of this year. If you strip out transportation, it still remains pretty good, but it loses a lot of wallop. We're expecting up 0.6. It comes in at up 0.4. And last month, though, a very nice revision from up 0.7 to up 1.1. Now, let's look at capital good orders, non-defense ex-air, a proxy for capital spending, a little disappointing, up 0.2. We're looking for up 0.7. However, those 0.5 we missed versus expectations show up in a revision from 1.2 all the way up to 1.7% for our last look, and that's the second best of the year outside of 3.8, and that was in March of this year. And finally, drum roll please, we switched from orders to shipments, up 1.4, much better than expected, and a huge revision again from 2% to 2.4. These shipments are really jumped up over the last several months. How did all that affect the markets? Prior, we're at 417 on a 2-year. We're at 420. Prior on a 10, we're at 462. We're at 464. But in this instance, it's probably a bit shared with some of the PCE numbers. But it's hard to dispel the notion that part of the pop in rates is because these economic numbers on durable goods, personal income are juiced. They're better than expected. We see the pre-opening equities are still mixed, although the Dow futures, even though they're still green, they lost a little bit of their wallop. Joe, back to you.
You know,
okay.
Rick, yesterday
some good news, and I'm glad I'm in the market. I'll explain in a moment.
I know you read the Druckenmiller piece in the journal. Did you? And it may have been AI because it was so eloquent, but did you see the part where Druck talked about the coalescence of actual market forces?
Okay, we're not saying much there now, waffling. So that was interesting for me. I'm very happy to be in the market. I see it as a buying opportunity. So let's look at the markets this morning. I see this as a buying opportunity, and I'll explain why. Sensei is still running on his show at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this moment very, very quickly to put out all those headlines to our short audience, the audience that like all the clips. So what I'm going to do is I've just taken notes. I like what I heard. I'm very happy to be in. I'm going to be buying some more today at certain stocks, that is. So I'm going to send my clips of what we've just witnessed up to the clips channel, my social, my Instagram, and everything else. So that's the wrong one. Make sure I get this right. Okay. Let me do that now. We're waiting for Sensei to join us in a few seconds. Let's listen to this. Bear with me a second. Okay, let me send this out now. Sensei's audience will be with us in a moment. So what I'm doing now is he's just wrapping up, analyzing. He might even call into the show and give me his thoughts in a moment. Let me just send a message. Sensei, are you calling in with your post analysis? Let me see if Sensei will want to run it through his models and then call me straight after the event. Okay, so, we've just put that up there. The clips are coming out now, and I'll give you my thoughts in a moment, just processing the numbers. But I like what I heard, and I'm going shopping right now. I'm going shopping. So let's have a look. So XRP, we don't want crypto. Not interested in crypto right now. Absolutely not. I've sold it. I'm out of it. I think we can go a lot lower. I'm not looking to buy any crypto, but I am looking at Rocket Lab this morning. Absolutely. The market has dramatically oversold it. And I like what I just heard. What's my latest price that I bought? I went down to 66.53. Yep, I'm going to buy some Rocket Lab. I've done my numbers this morning. BlackRock have been buying. People are overselling. I think it's ridiculous. So let me set up a trade. Buy. I'm going to do 600 shares, and we're going to do a limit order. Let's set it to a limit order of 66, 65. Review, extended hours. Yeah, swipe up. Let's have and get that. Yeah, 66, 65. Okay, let me grab that to put on my socials. Yeah, I bought another lump of shares there. So my average would have just dropped dramatically. Yes, it has. Okay. Yeah, I'm buying that. I've seen a lot of institutions buying this morning. BlackRock were churning in. So let me share that now. On my Discord and Electrum members, so they know I've just bought that. That was quite a significant buy. So let's keep our eye on that. That's enough for me. What's my margin position? Buying power, yeah, 63. That's fine. We don't. Walmart's going up. That's fine. We don't want that. SPCE going up. Rocket Lab. It's going to bounce back off there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. So let me share that out to everybody. Exciting. We'll wait for Sensei's audience to come through. They'll be here in a minute, and then we'll break down all the numbers. But you've just seen me make my biggest buy yet on Rocket Lab. I will share that now. So this has just happened. I've just bought 600 shares of Rocket Lab. I'm seeing more institutions buying every day. I was looking at BlackRock this morning, and the market is overreacting. That was an okay number for inflation. So I'm okay. Rocket Lab, so 600 shares. I'm now going on to my Discord. And let's go into Martyn's pro trades, because it was prior to the market opening. Markets pro trades you saw me do it live on the show. Just bought 600 RKLB. Okay, let me just share that. We'll discuss it why later on our upcoming show. So I'm nearly a $250,000 now in Rocket Lab to add to my million in SpaceX. And I've sold no SpaceX either. Let's make sure the super chats are on. Someone just sent me a super chat. Yes, they should be. That should come through in a second. Oh, it is coming through, isn't it? Right. Copy. Add that image. Rocket Lab. There we go. That's now shared. Rocket Lab. Just bought 600 shares of Rocket Lab. I'm now going to go over to YouTube Electrum for all my members over there. I love when the market overreacts and fear and everything else. It presents me opportunity, but you have to be ready to move really quickly. Let me put that in there. Rocket Lab. Okay. This is now for YouTube Electrum. So my members over there get see my trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, middle of the night, 3 o'clock in the morning. If I'm making a trade, I share it with you. So Electrum and higher. There we go. Post. That's it. All my posts are out this morning. Nice opportunity there, I think. You've acknowledged it, which is great. Okay, let's get back into the news. We've got loads to cover today. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. So we've just made some trades, 600 shares of Rocket Lab. So let's go and have a quick look at that. So crypto, I don't want any part of it at the moment with the uncertainty of the new world order. I don't want to be chasing that. We told you at 99 cents it was the time to buy. It went up like 50%. I made a small profit, but I got out quickly because I wanted to buy Walmart going down and other things, and that was the right thing to do because of fear there. And I also started to buy more Rocket Lab. I haven't sold any SpaceX. I've got 1.1 million invested in SpaceX. I've gone nowhere. I just cleared the margin from the top. SpaceX has gone down today on the fear of the Louisiana build out, which in my mind is good news. I have no idea why anyone would freak out over that. It's good news. The dilution was already baked in. So that was good. So I'm very, very happy with that. I'm just now sending out my clips. All my clips are done. We're waiting for Sensei's audience to join us, but 8:45. My first clip will come out on all the news, the headlines from the inflation report this morning. So stand by. So give me a moment just to post these. So if you follow the Clips channel, Instagram, X, all those places, and here on the main channel, every 30 minutes, 24 hours a day, I put out clips. So you've got all the little headlines so you know exactly what's going on without having to watch all the shows. If you just have a few minutes and want to get the headlines, then you can. All right. So let me just put this out. This will take me just 1 minute to do as we wait for the big audience from Sensei. I think he's going to be calling in as well. So let me just schedule these. If I don't do this now, it gets missed and everyone doesn't have it. I'm always live, so I don't have time to edit videos off air. It happens on air. So 9:30, 10, every half an hour, 24 hours a day. And we'll discuss why I've just bought Rocket Lab. When I saw more institutions piling in, I thought, okay, this is a no-brainer for me. So I bought more, and I expect a bounce from here, a very big bounce. And then I don't mind if it goes lower. As I say, I'm not trying to predict where the bottom is, but I will predict one thing. I will always get the bottom. My strategy enables me to always get the bottom. 10:30, I'm putting one at 11 o'clock. So throughout the morning, these will be coming out to you. Bear with me, I will come to the chat in a moment. And if you want to join Discord, of course, you can join Discord on the hour. We always have a 5-10 minute on the hour when you can join Discord if you are looking to get in. There, 11, 11:30, two more. 11:30, that will go out there. Love it. And 12 o'clock, put one there. There it is. And the final one will go at 12:30. Good day today. Markets loves fear. 12:30. Right, we're up to date. Okay, let's come back to you. Is Sensei still running? He's just dropped off now. I think he's just wrapping it up. Yeah. Oh, he's just finished. Oh, everyone should be... Is everybody coming in now? Yeah. Looks like everybody's just starting to flood into the show. Good morning. You've missed a big trade. I've just bought another... In fact, I don't know if I can tell you now, can I? He wasn't here. It's shared on Discord. So for our Discordians and our Electrum members, we just made a big move on to Rocket Lab. So let me show you. I just bought, it went down. The inflation report was exactly as we expected, personal spending up, so I was able to buy this morning. Essentially, I'm not touching crypto. I think we're coming down, and we are coming down to our 80 cents, 50 cent target. So I'm out of crypto. It's falling down now. SpaceX went down this morning on the Louisiana news, which is good news, but that's what happens when people invest in their business. I'm not buying any more. I've got 1.1 million invested in SpaceX. Walmart, we bought that when everybody was buying crypto. I bought Walmart and it's up. We all know why, because they predicted a really bad end of the year or October going forward because of inflation. Well, not inflation, but oil prices. And the market overreacted. The Walton family did what they did. Everyone dumped. I bought it, and now I'm up on it because it was a no-brainer, really. It was simple. So I bought Walmart. My only regret is I didn't buy a lot more. But anyway, there you go. SPCE is slightly up today. A little bit of a concern with SPCE. We'll talk about it later. But Rocket Lab is the big story for me. I've now got just under $250,000 in Rocket Lab. When I learned this morning that... BlackRock are buying, big institutions are buying this because we've talked about a slight delay and the market has overreacted. So I have doubled down this morning, and I'm very happy to do so. But remember, this stock is intrinsic value $7. However, you can't buy it for $7. I've got a price target of 120. I think the fair value is 30% oversold. So I am buying this bigger and bigger every day. I've just done 600 shares of Rocket Lab, and I shared it on my Discord, and I shared it on YouTube Electrum. When I learned this morning about the delay, it's the same issue we have with SpaceX. The market dumps it. People that buy rockets tend to always buy with emotion. And while BlackRock was buying recently in the last couple of days, retail has been selling and panicking, and I've been buying alongside the institutions and the banks because that's the way I trade. Okay, let's go. We just had the the inflation report. Let me just highlight what we just learned. It was good. So what did we just have? Well, we had Core PCE, the most important metric for the Fed to decide whether to raise rates or not. The Core PCE was 0.2. Right? Previous 0.1, but the consensus was 0.3, and it was forecast to be 0.3. So it was actually lower than forecast. It was good, okay? I mean, not great. We want inflation to be falling down, but the rate the rate of it coming down is slightly improved. We were expecting 0.3 and it came in at 0.2. That was good. The market overreacted because it's like not falling enough, but the point is it was below what we forecast. So that's good. All right. Durable goods was 1.1%. Durable goods was up. Spending was up. That means the economy is absorbing what the inflation is doing, which means less likely to raise rates. Not cut rates, though. Not great for crypto, but great for investing. All right? Speculative assets, maybe not so good. When I say speculative, you might say... Rocket Lab is somewhat speculative, but I'm talking about real speculation, as in crypto. All right. GDP 1.5. Consensus was 1.5. Forecast was 1.5. The actual numbers were 1.5.
At Stomach
down from previous.
Has become a member.
Oh, Electrum. Stu Mark, you've just upgraded to Electrum. You will now see all of my trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I just shared 600 shares I just bought of Rocket Lab. All right. So personal spending was consensus 0.1, forecast 0.3. Not quite as much as we thought, 0.2, but nevertheless up from consensus of 0.1. People are spending and absorbing this. What else did we have come in this morning? Corporate profits. Corporate profits, 8.2, a massive beat from 0.7. That's enterprise spending amongst the Mag 7. Durable goods, not really much there. Well, durable goods, 0.4%. Forecast 0.3. PCE index, where it's forecast 0.2, we got 0.2 as well. So an okay report today. Be interesting to see how the market reacts to it. Let's look at the S&P. What is the S&P doing to today's market? It's just down 0.1, not really doing too much. We'll see how it reacts on the bell, but the big story for me was the massive overselling at Rocket Lab, which just gave me another buying opportunity. I just keep buying on the way down, understanding it can go a lot lower. I'm not trying to predict the bottom, but I am buying more. All right, let's and I'll always find the bottom using my strategy, which I teach every day on YouTube, on Discord. All right. Anyway, let's come back to the questions. If you are watching on the phones, do join us on the main screen. You're just watching on the phone. You miss out a lot of stuff. All right. You managed to sort your membership out. Awesome, mate. Upgraded now to Electrum. Can you please check I'm Electrum? Yes, I can. It says it in the chat. Welcome to Electrum. So I can see your Electrum. Anyway, let's do live questions. So good afternoon all. Mark Potter. Afternoon, Martin and all. Hope you're well. Yeah, great today. It's a market of fear, which gives me opportunity to buy when everyone is selling. Good morning, everyone. Hope all is well. In fact, I'm just going to quickly check what the latest Rocket Lab short interest is. I wonder if it's hotting up. 7.6. Elevated, but not of a big deal. Valuation has improved massively. We were D, we're now C. Growth is B+. Profitability hasn't changed, D-. That's the way it will be for a while. And revisions, no change, C. But the short interest, 7.6, slightly elevated, but I'm not worried about that. Nothing else really going on there other than this delay, which doesn't concern me at all. I think the market has overreacted to it. Anyway, let's have a look. Good morning, everyone. Ascend. Let's go. Zuluminati. Corelli, good morning to you. Slim. Morning. Just found out today that crypto can be bought now on Robinhood UK. Oh, really? Hang on a minute. Let me check that. That's a big story. That is a very big story. Let me just log out of my Robinhood USA and log into my Robinhood UK. If so, that's a big story. That's just happened. Robinhood UK. I've got a Robinhood UK account. Ooh. So hang on a minute. Let me just double check this. Right. 17. Google. Right. Let's have a quick look. Just checking all of this. I want to just clarify all of this. Apple. So crypto. Explore on. I want to make sure. Okay. Continue. Unlock zero crypto trading fees. Continue. Yes, I agree. Through bits, yeah, Bitstamp, I see. Continue. Yes. Invest, yes. Have a look. Oh my God. I've got to go through a few steps. Right, I've just got to click all these buttons. Okay, I'm trying to do it quickly. If you transfer crypto assets, where will they come from? My God. Spencer. My God. It's got to accept and agree. Continue, tell us, oh my hell. $5,000 questions. Yes, yes, yes. Oh no, now I've got to do a test. This is ridiculous. What services does Bits? Oh my God. Can you stake or lend? Yes. What are the potential losses of trading crypto? I may lose the amount I put in. Yes. What are some of the risks associated with meme coins? They're extremely volatile. Yes. 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 What happens if you lose the private keys? I can use public keys. No, I can use my email. I could lose all my access. Yes. If Bitstamp were to become insolvent, what would happen to your crypto assets? Nothing. I would only be able to sell my after the potential delay. I could continue trading, but my ability to deposit may be suspended. I would only be able to sell my after nothing. My assets are still mine, and I would withdraw them at any time. Were able to become insolvent, that would happen. Your crypto assets. Okay, which of the following best describes the regulatory status of Bitstamp? Bitstamp is registered. Oh my God, I just wanted to show you how to buy crypto on Robinhood UK, and I got to go for an exam. Which of the following best describes the regulatory status of the Bitstamp in the UK? Bitstamp is registered financially. Yes, flipping heck, man. Which of the following statements are correct? Crypto assets are only traded on regulated exchanges. Crypto asset exchanges are subject to the same traders. None of the above statements. Which of the following correct statements is correct? Crypto assets are only traded on regulated exchanges. No. Crypto asset exchanges are subject to the same trading rules as stock exchange. None of the above statements are correct. Yeah. Out of the options available, what is considered the most sensible strategy investing in crypto? Investments in crypto assets should not make up more than 10%. To invest 50% of their assets in crypto. My God. Which of the following statements is correct? This is the last one. I should allocate all my savings. No. There's a chance of losing all my money I allocate to crypto assets. I therefore shouldn't allocate more than 10%. Crypto assets are just right there. Please tell me I got all those right. Yes, I got them all right. Okay. Flipping heck. Could you make it right? Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah. Your account is approved. You'll be able to trade. Your account is approved. You'll be able to trade crypto tomorrow. Bloody hell. What a bloody nightmare that was. You're having a bloody laugh. Ay. Right, okay, I'm going to give it to you now. I'm going to give you the link so you can get some free crypto. Anybody want some free crypto? Stand by, I'll give it to you. 31. I'm just trying to process all of this. We got a... Right. Okay. So bear with me, and I'll give you all some free stock in a moment. I'm just going to try and finish this so I can give you how to trade crypto. This has just happened. I've just been notified of this. Thank you for letting me know in the chat. I really appreciate it. But we've just got this come through now, and I'm just setting it up. I'm seconds away, and I'm going to give everyone the opportunity to get free shares, free crypto. There's going to be a big promotion now on Robinhood, and I've got a referral. I'm not sponsored by them, but you can all get free crypto and free shares and free everything. I'm just going through it now. One step away. I wanted to verify it. I wanted to use it. I wanted to buy some crypto. I wanted to make sure it worked before I say, because I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm not just doing what someone tells me. I'm simply doing what I use and what I know to be true, right? Okay. Okay. And can I do it? Can I buy? Yes. Okay. Think that's done. Yes, you can buy crypto now on Robinhood UK. So here we go. Right. So I can put that down there. Let me get back in conversation with Sensei. He might be calling in on the show. No, sorry, he's not. Okay, I just want to check. Right. So here we go. A few moments ago, someone told me, Slim told me in the chat, you can now use Robinhood UK to buy crypto. Massive upgrade. This is really good because there's lots of legal hoops you had to go through. So I bet everybody's in the UK watching goes, I want Robinhood UK because now I can trade crypto. Yes. So now, I just set it up. I just checked it. I got approved. I can do it. I've done it. It all works. My first trade goes through tomorrow because there's a 24-hour delay. Here is Robinhood UK. So I'm going to have to make a video on this as well. There's Robinhood UK. Now you get free shares. They'll give you free shares for setting it up. I get free shares. I'll share with you what I get. And that's it. Okay, I'm not sponsored by them. Now, if you are in the US and you want to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week on stocks and 24/7 on crypto, of course, like anywhere else, that's no big deal. There is Robinhood USA. Again, you get free shares, I get free shares, and everybody wins. Okay, spot on. So I'm going to make a quick video on this because this is a really, really big deal. A really, really big deal. So let me bring up crypto on the screen. What should we show? We'll show that there. All right. Okay. It's a green day for crypto. So we'll turn the lights green. And let me make a quick video on this. Martin, are you going to stream the static fire of Booster 21? Roads are blocked and they are starting to load the fuel. There is a live stream. If you want to find it, use 32 Raptor engine Fury. Okay, let me have a look. Let me type that in. We can switch over to that shortly. Yeah. Let me just get that up as well. 32 Raptor Fury. You said type in. Let's have a look. That didn't give me anything. Okay. So I'll have to come back to on that. Let me use 32 Raptor engine Fury. I just typed that in. 32 engine Raptor Fury. No, that's just bringing me up bowling balls. So that's not working. Let me go to SpaceX. SpaceX live Raptor. Live launches. Booster testing. SpaceX. This is the one that I normally use. Right. Do you think they'll ever see it? Right. Okay. Yeah. Booster. they're not really counting it down. There's not much to see, really. I'll keep my eye on it, but I don't think there's that much to see. Right, let me just record this. How long have we got before the bell goes? Okay. Rocket Lab has continued to fall. People say I'm catching a falling knife. Well, I say I'm catching a falling knife carefully. SpaceX is falling down. Bouncing back. Right. Let me just do this. Right. Okay. Come back to here. Back to here. If you could give me more information on that. It was Bitcoin's Craig. If you can give me more information about what the timeline is, what we're expecting, Bitcoins, that would be good. I'm super chat blocked. Did it not come on the screen? It should have done. You can't be super chat blocked. Sometimes I have to refresh the broadcast software if it doesn't show on the screen. But no, it is working. Look, things are anyway. I'm going to record this really quickly. This is a big story today. So, crypto just took a good boost upward. Exciting day. On the day we're watching rockets, things could rocket up in the UK and Europe. Robinhood UK, which I have. I've got Robinhood USA and Robinhood UK. And if you stand by, you can get free shares, free crypto on Robinhood right now. I'll give it to you. So the big news today is you can now buy and sell crypto on your Robinhood brokerage account. You've been able to do it through an external wallet, a Robinhood wallet, but you can now do it on your main brokerage in the UK. It's a big step forward. Now you might go, it's not that big a deal. I can buy it on Coinbase or anywhere else, and that's true. The reason why I'm saying it's a big deal is because a regulatory hurdle has been jumped over. It's been a long time coming to be able for Robinhood to allow you to sell and buy crypto on Robinhood UK. There was a lot of restrictions in the UK, and they found a way to get around it or over it or under it, whichever way. But as of today, you can buy crypto. I just tried to set it up a few moments ago. It did take me a few moments. I was trying to do it live on air thinking I could do it in 10 seconds, and I had to answer 1,000 questions. But I got approved. You have to answer the questions correctly. If you don't, you get back to the beginning. And fortunately, I knew the answers. So, thank God for that. Anyway, that would have looked really silly, wouldn't it? Live on air, I got the questions wrong. Anyway, I got through, I got accepted, and on my Robinhood UK now, you can now buy and sell crypto. Very, very exciting. Now, I have Robinhood UK. I do support it. I'm not sponsored by them, so there's no benefit to me for telling you this, but for all my viewers in the UK, and we have about 30% of our audience is in the UK, this will be a big day for you. So if you want Robinhood UK, I've got the link for it. It's in the chat right now because I'm making this during a live show. So you might want to get Robinhood UK now in the UK because you can now trade crypto. If you do set it up, you get free shares, I get free shares, everybody wins. I'll share with you what I get. That's great. If you're watching this video later, I'll put it below in the description, pinned to the top comment, and at the end, I'll put a little link when I do all this. So a big day today. You can now buy crypto in the UK on your Robinhood main brokerage. I will bring you more updates on this, but this is a big day today. I'm very excited about it. I'm not currently buying crypto. I don't think it's the right time. I think crypto is going to fall. I've said why, and as I'm talking about it, it's doing exactly that. We actually gave you the exact time to buy XRP, 99 cents. Within 2 hours of it popping, we said it was about to go up, and I bought in with $45,000. I sold, I took a small profit, I used the profits and decided to buy Walmart instead because I think crypto is coming straight back down, XRP to 80 cents, even 50 cents. So I don't want to be in crypto right now, but you might want to set it all up for when it is a good time to buy once again. I think all crypto is coming down. There's a scare in the market. Today's inflation report did nothing for crypto, but did everything for everything else. I liked it. What we had today was an okay report. not getting worse. So what I actually did today was I bought more Rocket Lab on the delay. I think that's where the money goes. I'm also, I found BlackRock buying this morning. I like it. Walmart went up. SpaceX has gone down this morning. A bit of a pre-market drop. I'm not worried. And I think crypto is going to be the biggest loss today. No question about it in my mind. So there you go. A big day today on crypto. You can now buy it in the UK. It's jumped over a massive hurdle. So I promised you the links. It's in the chat, in description, pinned to the comments, but now it's above my head. Now, when I say above my head, you'll find it, a little dot appears now and again, but also those little dots and links are in the bottom of the description. At the bottom of the description, you'll find all these little things I point to above my head. Down below in the description and pinned to the comments, you'll also find the Robinhood UK and Robinhood USA link. You might as well get it. You get free shares. I'm not sponsored by them. I turn down sponsorship by everyone. I just want to tell you what I'm using and what works for me. And then over here, I shall put the link to what shall I put? The link to Robinhood UK. Robinhood UK up there, Robinhood USA down there, but YouTube says you've always got to put a video. So over here, I'll put the playlist for Robinhood. That makes sense, doesn't it? Robinhood there, Robinhood UK there, that's the main story, and Robinhood USA there. Now you're watching it now, God, I can't see it. You can't yet, but in about an hour, when I put this video out, you will. All right, stay where you are if you're watching live. Take care of yourselves and each other. Hooray for Robinhood! Yay! So there we go. Good day for Robinhood. Robinhood shares might go up today. There might be a little bit of a rally. Let me have a quick look. Nvidia's going down, of course. It's their earnings. Meta's flying up, by the way. No surprise there. Robinhood's going down pre-market. Well, I guess maybe buy the rumors, sell the news, right? Is that what's going on? Anyway, Robinhood's way too expensive at the moment anyway. So we've now got the news. Now everyone's selling it. Okay, brilliant. It's classic, isn't it? Anyway, let's come back to our portfolio. So crypto all going down today. It's not a time to buy crypto. Absolutely. We've talked about it over and over again. I will not be buying that. Let me just look here. We've got a message deleted. Brian Bynum. I think you accidentally... Morning spoke about SpaceX money yesterday, and now you send money to someone and unlock it for them. Could you send me... Hang on a minute. Morning spoke about SpaceX money. Oh, you mean X money, not SpaceX money, and how it... if you send money to someone, you unlock it for them. Could you send me $1, please, to see if it works? And I'll super chat back more. Alan Pratt. Brian Bynum thought you were scamming me, which is fine. Brian Bynum did a good job. He hid that from the show. Alan Pratt. Yes, it could actually work. Yes, apparently it does work. I've not actually done it. So Alan Pratt, I'm just trying to consider that. Should I do that on air? Is that a good idea? Brian hid the comment because it obviously it does look a bit scammy. No, don't apologize. Sorry, don't apologize, Brian. You did a good idea. You did a good thing. You did a good thing. Alan Pratt is a member, so it's okay. But and he's asking a legit question. It actually could work. So Alan, what is your can you just, I tell you what, Alan, test it. Okay, Alan, can you go onto my X right now? If anybody wants to see me do this, a little X money test. All right, a little X money test right now. Everybody follow me on X. You ready? And I'll do it. I'll do it once. All right. So there's X money, right? There's my X account, not my X money. Everyone follow me. So now what I want you to do, Alan, I'm going to do a post and we're going to test it. Okay, we're going to test it. So I'm going to create a post right now. Here we go. This is an X money test. All right. So everyone follow and follow this. Let's see what happens. All right. What we want to do. This is an X money test. Because I've now transferred $10,000 to X money. I'll talk about that in a minute. We want to test if by me sending X money, remember I'm one of very few people to have this, money to you, does it unlock X money for you? So here we go. Let me do that. So this is an X money test. We want to test if by me sending X money to you, does it unlock X money for you? So everyone repost, and I might be picking people to send money to today just for fun. All right. We'll just see we'll do a test first of all. I've got $10,000 so I can send everybody to X money. I mean, literally I can send 10,000 people money today, right? For X money for you. So X money, and it is Martyn Lucas Investor. I want everyone to jump on this, okay? I'm live now on YouTube. So other people might go, well, send me some free money. I can earn 6% then. Well, I'm only doing it for my members, and I won't be just doing it all over the place. So don't get too excited. I'm not going to send every scammer in the world money. All right? Because you can imagine everyone's going, send me some money. No, that's not happening. Let me just add an image to this. X money. I'll add that. Right. There we go. I'll add that. So I think I've done everything. Let me post it. Right. Now, Alan Pratt, I want to see you comment on this. How long have I got before the bell goes? 10 minutes. Okay. Let's see if I can unlock people's X money. Right. So Alan Pratt, are you in the chat? Hey, that rhymes, doesn't it? Alan Pratt, are you in the chat? So copy link. Right, here we go. You get one, I get one, everybody gets one. All right? But you unlock it. Right. Yes, I've got X money. Oops, I spelt it wrong. It's unlock. Oh, God. Not uncock. Oh, God. Hang on, let me fix that. Let me fix it. Oh, hell. Edit post. Uncock. Oh, God. Heads up. A couple of things here on edit phone. Yeah. The hell? Right. Unlock. Thank you. Unlock X money for you. Update. Thank you. Everyone's reposting it. Everybody wants to get my X money. Oh, my God. What have I started? Why have I started this? Maybe I shouldn't have done it. Copy link. Right. Let me give it to everybody. Right. There's the link. Right. Everyone go and repost that. Alan Pratt, I want to see you comment to it. And I want to confirm it's you. So let me just go there. Click on the post. Where's the comments? Why aren't the comments showing up? Post. And if you get it unlocked, you get 6%. Hi, Alan P. Hi, Martin. I'm first, remember. Alan P. Alan Pratt. Okay. So Alan P, in YouTube, can you now confirm that's you? So Alan Pratt, you're now watching this. Okay. Can you just confirm that's you? I'm not sending people money. I'm not sending scammers money. I'm not going to get ripped off by people. All right. I've got to take my time on this. So Alan Pratt, can you come back now and confirm Alan P is you? Okay, can you do that? Uncock transfers, exclusive on X. Yeah. Alan Pratt, just come back to me on YouTube. I need you to confirm that's you. Sure is. Okay. So what we're going to try and do now is I'm going to try and send Alan Pratt some X money out of my account. Now, Alan Pratt, you're going to send me some money back, right? You're going to send me a nice thank you, right? So I'm doing this out of good faith, okay? As a test. So you're now able to, if this works, unlock X money. And if you can unlock X money, you can send money on X. You can get all the perks and benefits and earn 6%. Now I've just transferred 10,000, got 100,000 on the way to X money to earn 6%. It's more than Treasury bills. Now, we don't know this is going to work. This is a test. Now, everybody today who reposts and gets involved, you never know. I might be sending lots of my members money, okay, just to be nice. But we've got to be careful. I want to make sure we're doing it properly. All right? So get involved, follow me, repost, give me a good reason why I should do it for you. Right, let me go onto my X account. So we are looking at X money right now. So we're going to stay there. Make sure you go and repost that. Shall I give you the link in the chat? Here we go. Copy link. Copy link. Okay, so if I do it here, okay, so X money, free money. I mean, I'm not saying I'm giving everyone free money, okay? We're testing it for Alan Pratt, one of our members. X money equals free money. There's the post. I might randomly pick people if this works. I just don't know what's going to happen. X money, free money. Replace the pin. Okay, we dropped it up there. Now I'm going to go onto my X money on my phone. And I'm going to see. So Alan Pratt, I've got his name. Yeah. If I go on to Alan P, there is his, right, I can see his real name, right? Okay, so here we go. Let's have a look. X money, never done this before. We were told that some people, if you send them X money, unlocks it for them and they can have all the benefits of this. So let's see if it works. So I've gone to X money. I sign in. I've signed in. I've got my money, right? Now, send. Click send. Send to your other bank account. Send a wire, mail a check. Oh, send to someone on X. Okay, here we go. So, at ALLAN underscore PEE. So Alan P. So Alan underscore P. Alan underscore P. It says not eligible. It says you're not eligible, Alan. Alan P says you're not eligible. Now, why is that? I've got the correct name, underscore P, verified account. Alan P is not eligible. Are you not in the UK? Are you in the US? Can you let me know in the chat? Are you in the US? You've got a verified account. I want to let's establish a few things. Are you in the US? I'm looking at. I'm in the UK. That's the reason, Alan. Yeah, it won't unlock for you if you're in the UK. Sorry, Alan, it's not going to work for you today. It won't let me send to SpaceX either. I just looked. Why are you asking, are we live on X widget? You're always asking, are we live all the time? Anyway, so Alan P, unfortunately, no, mate, it wouldn't work. Should I try somebody else? Who else? Sorry, Alan. Let's see who else responded. Let's see who else responded. If you responded, I might send you some free money. Okay? Who else did it? Let's have a look. Let me see if I can recognize anybody first of all. Robs. Is that Robs? Yes, it is. Robert is our biggest supporter. Let me see if I can send Rob some money. Right, I'm just going. If you repost this, you might get lucky today. So the link's in the chat. Go and have a look. Robert, this is Rob's. Let's see if Rob's can. Now Rob's is in America. Rob's 720. Rob's 720. You're not eligible. You're not eligible, unfortunately. William, what is your username? At William Bond III, okay. Here we go. Let's try William. 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 I won't miss the bell. I'm gonna find. I'll keep monitoring these, and if I can do this, I'll help as many people as possible. William Bond. Is that 111 or III? It's III, isn't it? III. There it is. Not eligible. You're not eligible, William. It says you're not eligible. Oh. Some people are. I'm seeing names pop up. We'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. You might get lucky. So you might. I'm trying to send it to people and see if it unlocks things for you. Okay. So I will go back and have a little look. So there is this is an X money test. We want to test if by sending X money to you, does it unlock X money for you? I'm live on YouTube. Okay. Edit post. Okay. I am randomly picking people from the comments below to see if I can send you X money and unlock, get it spelt right this time, unlock it for you. So this is an X money test. I'm randomly picking people from the comments below to see if I can send you X money and unlock it for you. We want to test it by sending X money to you. Does it unlock X money for you? I'm live now on YouTube. Okay, X money. There you go. Update. So, yeah, if you comment and respond, you never know. You might get lucky. I'll keep doing it and I'll keep trying. All right. So how long have I got? 1 minute to go before the bell goes. So we got a nice bounce back this morning. I bought very heavily. Crypto is selling off. This is what we warned everybody about. SpaceX is going down. Rocket Lab is going to bounce back. Walmart is up. Sold off a few moments ago. All right, here we go. Let's get ready. 30 seconds to go. Big day today. Okay, here we go. 25 seconds. Let's get super chats are working. Bitcoin's Craig. I am seeing them. They just didn't just play. I don't know why. I am seeing them though. Okay. Let's get ready for a big day. 4, 3, 2. Thunderbirds are go. The bell has gone, and let's see what happens today. Let's go for all our positions. So on the bell, we are down and bouncing back. Brave money makes money. A lot of people got scared this morning and decided to dump on inflation. I did the opposite. I bought, and I've got some very low Rocket Lab right now, expecting a major bounce, and it's happening right in front of your eyes. Martyn was right again. Martyn was right again. I said E-I-L-E-O. Martyn was right again. All right, there we go. It's going up now. And the S&P is down. Rubbish. We've outperformed the S&P 4 years in a row. Virgin Galactic has popped up 299 on the bell. Where's it going to go? Why isn't that shifting? Why isn't that shifting? That's better. We'll have it over there. All right. SpaceX, a nice big bounce on the bell. Everybody went, I don't like Elon Musk spending money on building out Louisiana. That's rubbish. I liked it. I own it. Thank you very much. Nice one. Rocket Lab going down, expecting a big bounce on Rocket Lab today as well. I'm not worried. The cheaper that gets. We've got institutions piling in. Look at my portfolio. Turning. Is it going to turn green in a minute? Big news on Louisiana. Don't know why everyone dumped it. Anyway, Rocket Lab on the way down. I will keep buying. You won't stop me buying now. I'm all in now. I'll keep going to 1 million if I have to. 1 million in SpaceX, 1 million in Rocket Lab. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. I know where that's going. When BlackRock start buying the way they did, it's obvious. Palantir is down. Gold is down. I don't do hedges. Rigetti is down and coming up quickly. Amazon going down. Nvidia earnings tonight. Apple on the way down. Enphase Energy, my favorite, to go to $100. Coca-Cola just sold off on the bell. Down we go, rocking and rolling, going to $106. One of the best performers on the market this year. Texas Pacific Land down very slightly. Chevron Oil down. Tesla going to $80. I can see it so clearly. Google is down today, and Microsoft is up. Nvidia earnings, of course, tonight. Meta Platforms, my top pick, $800 price target. Nvidia down, earnings tonight. Don't expect it to move very much at all. Walmart going up. Woohoo! Martyn was right again. Martyn was right again. I said E-I-L-E-O. Robinhood is on the way down. Too expensive. How many times? Poet up today, 0.62, sponsored this space. You can get your favorite stock for $20 on the show, guaranteed for about a week. After that, it could be reshifted and reshuffled, all right? So you get a guarantee of a week if you want your favorite stocks shown to 16.8 million people have seen this show. That's our official metrics about a week ago. Kushner is up 0.4 today. Vertical aerospace, this whole sector is collapsing amongst your eyes. Don't like it. Vertical aerospace could go bankrupt. Taiwan Semiconductor is up. Flare, crypto is all down. We warned everybody, pleaded with you, but no one listens. The Discordians do. The Electrum members do. Everybody else thinks they're superheroes, and whatever they say and whatever they do, it's going to go up just because we buy it in our Reddit rooms. Well, it doesn't work that way, I'm afraid. Bitcoin going down as well, and look at XRP literally falling off a cliff. We told you at 99 cents it was the time to bounce. We told you at 176 to sell it. Our members did. The rest of the world didn't, and now they're all liquidated and losing all their money. We did our best to warn you. Ethereum is down as well, 0.27. Now, on the other hand, I'm looking at my portfolio and going, I love the fact it's going red because we want to buy more. Let me show you what we're buying. So, first of all, we've got crypto falling off a cliff this morning. Nothing good there at all. And we can see XRP going to 50 cents, even 80 to 50 cents. Don't want to buy crypto. And of course, today, crypto was released in the UK. I'm going to, once again, if you are watching now, here is free shares of Robinhood shares. on the Robinhood UK. Crypto is out today in the UK. If you're in the US, you've always had crypto, but if you want some free shares, there is the links in the chat. Now, we are trying to give away, live on the show, some X money. I'm randomly going through people who have reposted my link. It's pinned to the top. Let's have a look at it. Is it still there? I'm going to make sure it's still there. Yes, X money, free money. I'm trying to find out if by sending money on X, you can unlock your X money. I'm now transferring $100,000. I've got 10,000 today arriving, 100 grand on the way to earn 6%. It's better than Treasury bills. Okay, it's a promotional thing. It won't be there forever, but it's there for now. So there's a rumor going around. I didn't create it, but apparently, if you send people money on X, it unlocks X money for them. So I'm trying to send some people some money. It's free money, okay? A big super chat, thank you, would be nice if you get it. But what I'm trying to do is unlock it and see if it works. I've tried a couple of people this morning and nothing happened. They were ineligible. I couldn't send them any money. So I've not been able to do it yet, all right? But I am going to keep trying to send you some money. So on my account right now, there it is. There it is. There's the post. And I've said, look, I'm randomly picking from the comments below to see if I can send you X money and unlock it for you. We want to test it by me sending X money to you. Does it unlock X money for you? I'm live on YouTube, so you know I'm here. Here I am. Hello. And I'm looking below in the comments. If you repost, like, and comment, I'm randomly trying it. And I've tried it for William. He's in America. It didn't work. I tried it for Robs. He's in America. It didn't work. I tried it for Alan Pratt. He's in the UK. It didn't work. So it might work for you. And if it works for you, all of a sudden today, you could end up with some free money, right? Anyway, do the opposite and we'll make money. His calls are the worst. There we go. Steve said, whatever Martyn says, do the opposite and you'll make money. His calls are the worst. We got a troll. Should we ban a troll? Should we ban a troll? I've literally beaten. I mean, let's have a look at it. If my calls are the worst, let's have a look. So if this troll is right, we'll let him keep his comment. If this troll is completely upside down, we'll ban him. So shall we? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So let's go on the S&P. That's fair, isn't it? The S&P this year to date. The year to date, the S&P is up 11.56. Okay, the S&P is up 11.56. All right, below average. Let's have a look at my portfolio. Despite going down with Rocket Lab today, my year-to-date is 44%. Oh, and I've done that 3 years in a row. My calls are the worst. What about on the year? Ooh, I'm up 54% on the year. No options, no shorts, no guessing, no gambling. So, unfortunately, we've got a troll who just can't spell my name correctly and just basically a bloody idiot. Whatever Martyn says, do the opposite and you'll make money. His calls are the worst. So we've just proven this guy is an idiot. So let's ban this person here. What is the point? Block. You're a complete waste of space. All right. We'll fact check you. If you want to say I'm an idiot, you're very welcome. And then we'll fact check your fact. And if your fact is true, and I'm losing on something or winning on something, we'll let it stand. But if you make up lies to deceive my audience and can't even spell my name correctly, then I guess we'll just throw you in the bin. All right, that's what we do. That's a new service starting today. New service. Get yourself banned on X. Basically make up lies, say stupid stuff, and I ban you just because I like it, because I like doing it. All right, so there we go. I'll try some more people in a minute, and I'll see if we can do it. Right, whack a troll. Yeah, ban him. He looks like he literally did his own icon as a clown. Why would you do that? I make up lies. I can't spell, and on top of it, my icon is a clown. Anyway, so let's do it. I'll tell you what we'll do. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll make a video out of this because it's quite exciting. If I can send some people some money today, it'd be really quite fun, wouldn't it? All right, okay, let's do it. Let's try and do it. Okay, so here we go. All right, let's have a laugh. Let's have a bit of fun. Ready? Okay, do you want some free money? Literally live on my show right now, we're having a bit of an experiment. We're also banning people at the same time who want to be idiots, and we're loving it. And we're really excited today because my portfolio could explode today. I just bought nearly $250,000 of Rocket Lab, and I think it's about to explode. Not literally, I hope, but the stock go up. Anyway, want some free money? Potentially. This is not a scam. This is a real thing. Everyone's going to go, oh, Martyn's scamming the audience. Oh, no, he's not. This is a real thing. Stand by. Let me show you. So a few days ago, I got X money. Hurrah! Elon Musk sent me $25. Don't know why. Just randomly picked me. Maybe because I'm brilliant. I don't know. Maybe because I like X. Maybe because I'm buying space. Maybe because I got $1 million in SpaceX and now $250,000 in Rocket Lab. And maybe he likes me. I don't know. But he randomly picked me. Hooray for Martyn and Elon. New best friends. Friend. Name the movie. Friend. Name the movie in the chat right now. Friend. Yep. Who's my best friend? Elon Musk. So he gave me X money. I'm earning 6%. I'm currently transferring $100,000 into X money just for a laugh, just to see if I can make 6% on it. I've already transferred some money through and I am making some money. I wonder if I can show you live on air right now my X, because I can't give away my bank account number, right? I'm not stupid, right? And someone tried to make me look stupid a minute ago and got banned. I'll show you in a minute. Look at this. So if I go to my X, look, right at the top, can you see here? I've got a little money sign. Watch. See that? Just there, look. Bing, bing, bing. A little money. Friend. Name the movie. Friend. I keep saying it until someone gets it right. If I click on that, right, I've transferred some money. Yeah, I got to do my face. Got to scan me face. Scan me face. Just check on the screen. All right. So Elon Musk gave me $25. Then I sent another $1 from my brokerage account, Robinhood, and then another $1 from my bank to set it all up, link it all up. Yes, everything works. Hooray, hooray, hooray. $27. Now there's a $10,000 on the way. That should arrive any minute. You'll see it live on the show this morning. Should be. And then I've got another 100 grand started like last night, and we should see that arrive as well. So very nice to earn 6%. Now, I want to give it all away just because I'm stupid and I like giving money away, right? Because we want to do a little test. Right? So let me show you how it works. You earn 6%. Now then, let me show you. Can I show you this here? I'm just reading all the, there's a number on the screen. So what I'll do is, yes, I can take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot of that so I can hide my bank account number. Right. Okay. Let me show you this. I'm doing it live, so you know it's real. This is real, okay, because people go, it's not real, Martyn's a scammer, Martyn's a scammer. Right, so I paid in $27. You've seen that, right? Put yes in the chat. Is it true? There you go. Look, it does play super chats. Bitcoin's crazy.
Diesel_Ava tip 99 cents through super chat.
There you go. It does play it. So I just took a screenshot of my X money. You saw me, $27. Now, I put $27 in 2 days ago. 2 days. $21. Now, Elon says he's going to pay you out every day. Ooh, every day, 6%. Ooh, not 6% every day, 6% over the year, but you get paid every day. Did he? Did he tell the truth? Let me just read it. Make sure there's no... Right, yes, here we go. Good. I'm careful, folks. This is my real money. Right, look at that. I've earned on $27 in 1 day, 1 cent. Yes, Elon Musk is telling the truth. He just paid me 1 cent. Look at that. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. He paid me 1 cent on my $27, 6%. Fantastic every day, bloody marvelous. And my portfolio's going up because I bought Rocket Lab this morning when everybody else freaked out. And surprise, surprise, I'm going up. No surprise there. BlackRock just bought big tons of Rocket Lab, so I thought it was quite good to buy some. Anyway, found that out during the night. Now I'm turning green. Martyn's right again. All right, so now I've shown you on my phone, I've just made real money in literally 1 day. I am trying to send you some money because apparently there's a rumor I didn't make up the rumor. Apparently it's a rumor that if someone with X money, like me, who best mates of Elon Musk, right? Friend, anybody, in-betweeners, at last, somebody got it right. Thank God for that, in-betweeners. So, basically this, if you go onto my post right now, and I will give you the link right now for it. I'm making this in a live show because we do it all live. Nothing's edited, taken away. Copy link. All right. Now, if you're watching the video later, because we're making a video, the link will be in, Harry Potter. Harry Potter, he talks like that, Harry Potter. That's a little funny thing that Harry Potter's friend, I'll be your friend. No, we mean friend, different than Harry Potter, different voice. Always watching, always. Hello, my name's Bruce. Completely different person. Name the movies. Right, here is the link in the chat. If you're watching later, it'll be in description, pinned to comments, above my head, all that. So what you do is this. You go over to the post. I don't earn money on X. Everyone's going to be going, Martyn's scamming the audience. I don't get paid on X, okay? I'm not a creator that gets paid. You have to have 5 million engagements over 3 months. Well, guess what, folks? I've got 1.2. Don't believe me? Let me show you. It's important. Got to fact check myself because everyone's, you just give trolls all this stuff. They just make up stuff. So save them making some stuff up. Let me just give it to you. It's easier. If I go into my X, this is the back end of my X. Oh, the secrets. And I go to analytics and I go to 3 months and I go to engagement. You need 5 million engagement points over 3 months to get paid on X. And when you do get paid on X, that amount would earn you $10 a month. So even if I got there, I'd only earn $10 a month. What have I got? 1.3 million. Oh, I've gone up another 100,000. Oh, Martyn's getting famous on X now. 1.3 million. 1.3 million. Bloody hell. Anyway, I need 5. So even if I got 5, I'd earn $10 a month at 5. I'm earning 1.3 million. So I'm not famous enough, big enough, important enough on X. I am important enough on YouTube. I am important enough on Discord. And I'm really important on Instagram. We're viral all the time on Instagram. Really famous on Instagram. But on X, I'm not as famous as Elon Musk. At the moment, I'm not as famous as Elon Musk. I soon will be, though, because I own a lot more SpaceX than Donald Trump, a lot more, a heck of a lot more SpaceX than Donald Trump, and I own millions more than Donald Trump on SpaceX, on Rocket Lab. He's got none. So I'm beating everybody, right? But 1.3 million. So I'm not earning any money. So me doing this doesn't earn me any money. In fact, I'm giving money away. So I'm being too nice. Anyway, here's the post. So you've got the link. Everyone's doing it. What you do is you go on here and you repost it. And you do a like. I don't care. It doesn't bother me whether you do or not. But then I look in the comments and I randomly pick people. Okay? And if it works, send me a super chat if you want. Say thank you, because you can now earn 6%. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, does it? All right? Now, a few moments ago, we tried a couple of people. We tried William, he's in America, didn't work. We tried Robs, he's in America, didn't work. We tried Alan Pratt in the UK, didn't work. I couldn't send him any. It's not it didn't work, I couldn't send them any money. Maybe they've not set up their account properly. Maybe they're not a verified user. I don't know. You need certain criteria. I don't know. But I'm going to randomly pick people. So right now, I'm going to look through and go, who do I know? The Big Burn. I know the Big Burn. I know him. So I'm going to randomly pick the Big Burn. Let's see. You ready? The Big Burn. So I'm going to hover over his name. Going to pick up my phone. Going to go on my X. Let me see if I can unlock and send him some money for free. Live on the show, being made in this video. Are you ready? Okay. So I'm going to go onto my X. Here's my X. There's me. I'm not showing anything, am I? No. Quick look. There's my money. Right. Send. Search for someone on X. So Here is X. Here is search for someone on X. I'm going to type his name. His name is the Big Burn, B-U-R-N. Now, I've got to spell it properly because I don't want to send somebody else the money. That would be rubbish. They go, hang on a minute. Elon Musk sent you money. Now you're sending me money. I can't believe it. The Big Burn, 1910. There we go. The Big Burn, 1910, says, not eligible. Not eligible. You haven't set it up. There's something right, not right. Look, the Big Burn, not eligible. I tried. I was nice. So there you go. I did that live on the show. I will do more people like I will do random. I want to find someone. I I can send some money to, right? So if you want to be part of it, all you got to do, this is not a scam. This is not a joke. This is real. I'm really trying to give somebody some free money to unlock the 6% for you. You got to be verified. You got to make sure your account's in good standing. I don't know, whatever the hidden secrets are, go and sort it out. Keep reposting. I don't earn any money, so I'm not getting money out of it. Even if I got monetized, I still earn no money out of it. And I'm just trying to give you my own free money. So that's quite nice, isn't it? Let's be honest. And you might get lucky. You might wake up in a minute and go, oh my God, I've got X money. I'm earning 6%. Friend. So there you go. Check it out. That's live today on the show. That's something cool. And by the way, if you made it to the end, big surprise. We've now got Robinhood UK with crypto on it. Not that you should be buying crypto right now. I think it's rubbish. But at the moment anyway, we told you at 99 it was going to go, and it did. 176. We told you to stop there. We were right. It went back down again. Martyn was right again. I said, we told you all that. And now it's going down. I wouldn't be buying it now, but maybe we're considering getting Robinhood UK because in the live chat, are you ready? Here comes free shares. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to give you the link for all this. Ninja Cowboy just got verified. Oh, shall I try it? There's Robinhood UK, free shares, free crypto, yes, that, yang, blah. I get some too. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not making, oops, was that Robinhood UK? No, that was Robinhood USA. There's Robinhood UK. So you get free shares in the USA as well. Right, we'll do one more. There's Robinhood UK. Now, apparently, Ninja Cowboy said he just got verified. It might be a bit early. Do you want me to do it? If I do it now, you don't get another chance. Ninja Cowboy, there he is. He just got now, hasn't shown up verified yet. I probably shouldn't do it. I tell you what, Ninja Cowboy, let me try later for you, shall I? Because if I do it now, yeah, look, you're not showing up as verified yet. I'm going to wait for you. Remind me later, and I'll do it later, right? Now then. Another new service. Before I give you the links, we're now blocking idiots. So if you make a post and you comment on my X and you lie, and we can fact check you and verify you lied to simply manipulate my audience, we're going to ban you. You're going to get banned. And as a big famous creator on X, I've got the power to do it. Because I'm a bad person. I can ban people, best mates of Elon Musk, friend. I can do all that stuff now. Oh, yeah, I'm going to abuse my power and everything. So if I go on here, look, probable spam. If I see something on X to my comments that is a lie, we'll fact check it live in front of the world. And if you are correct, and I'm an idiot and I've made a bad call and I said this and I said that, we let it stand. And you could tell the world I'm an idiot. But if you lie and say Martyn hasn't beaten the market at all, and for 3 years, he keeps saying he's beaten the market for 3 years in a row, 4 years in a row when we have, and you say I haven't, and you say Martyn didn't buy the bottom of Coca-Cola, Martyn didn't buy the bottom of SpaceX, Martyn doesn't show you all his trades. If you lie, we will fact check it. We'll do it live. Everybody will go, yep, that's rubbish. Ban. So it's a new service. It's called Ban the Idiot Service. I just made it up and it now exists. So let's have a look. William Gray, is there qualifications that you have to meet for eligible X? I can't tell you. Can't tell you what the secrets are. Got to find that out. Got to find that out. Oh, where's me comments? Oh, where's me comments? I want to read the comments. Right. I'll take some free money. Best channel in the world. That's got to be good. We're not going to ban that, are we? Martyn was right again. Martyn was right again. I said, everybody got fearful this morning on the inflation report. It was good. Everyone dumped because Elon Musk is building out Louisiana. I didn't sell. Everybody went, Rocket Lab is rubbish because it's going to delay for another month. I bought it this morning, $250,000. 1.1 million in SpaceX, $250,000 in it's getting a bit stupid now. I should stop buying. It's getting ridiculous now. Martyn, you're getting out of control now, Martyn. You're talking about Elon Musk, your best mate. You're beating the market all the time. It's getting a bit ridiculous, Martyn. You got to stop doing it. Right, I'll take some free money. We like that. Nothing wrong with that. I'm looking for the idiot, folks. We're trying to find the idiot. You have to be a premium member or premium plus to have X money. Not available in the UK. That's correct. This person tells the truth. This is a good person. Lee Bailey is a good person. I'm a Discord subscriber. I would love to set up money. I'm going to try him. I'm going to try him. He sounds a good person. He sounds a good person. Let me type it in. What's he called? Imploring. Sounds a good person. One of my Discordians. You can't go wrong, can you, with a Discordian? They're all approved members. Imploring. 47056. Imploring. Not eligible. You've not turned some stuff on. Oh dear. The trolls all love this one. Sing along, everybody. Sing along. Okay, let's carry on. Everyone freaked out this morning. BlackRock just during the night buying tons of space. What was it? Not SpaceX. They've already bought that. Rocket Lab. And I thought I better buy some this morning then. So I did. Now I'm up. Anyway, let's carry on. I'm a Discord member. I'm on X. Kevin Durrett. Me. Test me. I did test you. Only for premium members. Can I be your friend? Yes, you can, Slim. Yes, you can. You are my friend. You're always my friend. I'm trying to find the idiots. Is there qualifications? We've read that. I'm a verified paid user. Try X. William, show me the money. Try me. I'm verified on X. I will try more. I'm just trying to find the idiot right now. Hey, Martyn, can you test me on... not now, I can't. Great. No more. Now, before we started recording, it's a shame. It's a shame because we did ban someone. And I'll tell you what it was. Because this is what I was looking for. I was looking for another one, but I didn't get any more. Maybe all the trolls have died. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. There's no more trolls. Wouldn't that be a wonderful thing? Maybe another troll died this morning because one came on and said, Martyn literally had a clown icon as his own icon. So he's trying to make me to be a clown and his icon was a clown. You know when someone's stupid, when they're trying to make the person look stupid, when their icon of themselves is a clown. They've got no brains. Anyway, he came on and says, don't listen to Martyn. Martyn trades rubbish. Do the opposite. La, 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 la. So we fact-checked it. And we did. We went in. We did this. This is what we did. We went, all right, okay. If Martyn's an idiot, he should be allowed to say that, right? If Martyn's trades are rubbish, he should be allowed to say that because it's the truth. We like the truth. So I went over here and I looked at the S&P 500 because it was good today because flipping inflation was fine, all right? But everyone went, oh no, inflation. No, it was fine. So I went over here and I went, okay, year to date. The S&P is up 11.75. All right, pretty good, all right. Okay, now let's look at my position. Now, bearing in mind, I'm using a ton of margin right now because I've been buying tons of $250,000 of Rocket Lab because I've gone mental, right? I've gone mental. We told you XRP was going down the toilet. We were right. We told you the exact price, 99 cents it would bounce from. We told you 176 was the top, and it was. We told you all of that. 4 years in a row, everything's right. So then I said to you, I'm going to buy some SpaceX and Rocket Lab, and everybody thought I was stupid and all the rest of it. And unfortunately, they found out about, now everyone's found out about BlackRock. And whoops-a-daisy, it's going up. So I just bought $250,000 and I'm not in the red anymore. Look at that. I'm down 0.9%. 185,000, nearly $250,000 now. So anyway, let's look at my position, right? Am I wrong? Are my trades all wrong? If they are, I don't mind being wrong. Being wrong's fine, but don't lie about it because these are my audience, all right? So year to date, I'm up 48% year to date. No options, no shorts, no guessing, no gambling. What about 1 year? 58% in a year. Who makes 58% in a year without crypto, without shorts, without options? Nobody. Nobody. So I've done really, really well. You can't make this stuff up and it just keeps on going, right? So if you want to say I'm an idiot, it's fine. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I do it live in front of the world, so you can't expose me. I'm already exposed. I'm literally sitting here in my pants, all right? I'm sitting here naked, got nothing on. Shirt, tie, nothing else. I can't be more exposed than that. We should call it the naked investor. You can't get fairer than that. It gets hot in the summer, so I sit here in my pants. Not literally, right? I'm just having a laugh, but they'll troll that. They'll clip it and say, Martyn, the naked investor. Anyway, so if you say it on X, please be our guest. Please do it. And then what we do is we find it, we go back to the audience, we fact check it, and if it's a lie, we ban it. If it's the truth and I'm an idiot, it can stay there. And this morning, unfortunately, I deleted it already. We had one live on the show just before I started recording this, and some guy said all of that, and we exposed it, and then we blocked him. Now he can't do nothing. Now he's an idiot, right? We can't do no more than that, right? So anyway, you've watched to the end. Now you want the link for X. Now you want the link for crypto free money, UK, USA. Well done. Congratulations. You made it to the end. Did you tap the like button? Did you click subscribe? If you've gone to the comments, now it's a video, because now it's a video when you're watching it later. You can hype it. If you hype it, it gets some more people. More people might get some free money. I don't mind giving money away. I love to do it. If it tests it out and people learn stuff, why not? I don't mind. As long as you're a good person. All right, so here we go. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description. Pinned to the comments. Now, here, just there, I'll put... What will I put? I'll put... I don't know. I'll put the UK free stocks, free UK, because it's about UK today, isn't it? Robinhood, down there. Up here, I'll put the link for X, so you might get some free money. Go there, repost it, do this, do that, blah, 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 blah. Leave a comment, get banned, don't get banned, it's up to you. And down here, I've got to put a video, because YouTube says you've got to put a video as well. Oh, hang on, read this. What is going on?
At Frankie Laraba 1,780
yes.
tipped $10 through Super Chat.
Yes.
Rofl. Martyn, you are hilarious. The naked investor.
Do you
I'm dying, rolling on the floor laughing emoji.
Do you want to see? Do you remember Bill Nye? Feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Another impression, another amazing impression live from Martyn Lucas Investor. He says, if I get to #1 at Christmas, I'll play naked live on the telly. Feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. So I'm sitting here naked. If I get to $1 million, I'm doing the show naked. And the way I'm going right now, I'm going to be at $1 million in about 5 minutes. No, you're not. You're not at $1 million in 5 minutes. Well, you're not making any money. Well, you're not making any money. You're just making it all up. 48% year to date. 58% on the year. He's just making it up. These aren't real numbers. It's all AI. Oh, well, what about my wealth tracker then? Robinhood's real Robinhood thing. Look, I've got to do a face recognition. You can't put face recognition in a false pretend app. Maybe you can. Maybe I should do that. Right. What about it? What about it? How much have I got now? $880,000. Nearly $1 million. And guess what, folks? It's actually nearly 900 because that money to X is on the way. When X money finally picks up that money, that's going to 900,000 from $5,000. I don't know why I'm doing 10. 5. Anyway, we got to the end of the video. I tried to put some links up, but then everyone came in and messed it all up and super chats and everyone's talking about me naked. That's a bit of a weird thing. Anyway, up here, stuff, down here, stuff, Robinhood UK stuff there. Not now, not when you're watching it live, later. Let this video come out. Down here, right, over here, what did I put up here? Oh, the X post. I'm going to forget. It's going to be like a link of Pornhub, you know. There's going to be a naked man over here on Pornhub in his pants. Right, over here, there's a link to the X post. Post it. You might with some front. You might not. So far, no one's got any money. No, so, you know, the chances of you getting any money is pretty minimal because it didn't work for anyone yet because no one's got it set up properly. That's your own bloody fault. Not my fault. The intention was there. Down here, YouTube said you got to put a video. It can't all be links. Can't all be links. We want to get a little bit of the action. Down here, a video. And I'll probably put best for viewer. That means YouTube pick something. Right, stay where you are. I'm not really ending this. I just recorded it. And it is what it is. And we're getting rich. It is what it is. And take it or leave it. And free money, no free money. It's up. Oh, I can't believe it. New members. I'm finishing. Stop it. I've got to finish. Up here, over here. That's it.
Emoji.
Shush.
Pinched fingers emoji.
Shush.
Pinched fingers
Shush.
emoji.
Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Stay where you are. I'm not really ending it. What a bloody video this was. All right, what a bloody chaos. What a chaos day. I wanted to give as many idiots as much stuff to lark around with as possible. They got loads of material there, and they could have a bloody field day now. I like to call them me fan channels. In fact, I found out a couple of days ago that one of our worst trolls, I found out, we thought he was married, but actually he's got a gay fetish. Apparently he's in love with me, and that's why he makes so many videos. We found out the other day. We asked one of his neighbours, and they said, yeah, he absolutely loves you, talks about you all the time, yeah, apparently my trolls have got a gay fetish. They're in love with me, apparently, and they just keep on doing it. They can't help themselves. So it is what it is. So I thought I'd give them that. Martyn sitting here naked. You'll make videos out of that. Right, that's it from me. We're going to wrap this up. Got to go to Discord. Discord's important. Discord audience waiting. All right? All these videos are going to come out. Now then, I didn't give anyone the chance today, did I, to join Discord. I messed it all up. Is that money arrived on X yet? I will be looking at, no, it hasn't. I'll be looking out for more people to send more free money throughout the morning. Let's have a look. How did this go? Oh, there's more people doing it. All right, more people doing it. I'll give it another go. I'll keep going. Let me come back to here. 18. Make sure I'm talking to people. Right, that's all good. What else did I want to do? Oh, check my Robinhood UK. Did anyone get the free stocks, free shares? Anybody? What's this? You're approved. Oh, hang on. You're approved to keep the account secure. There's a call-off period that lasts 24 hours before you can start trading crypto. We'll notify you when it's over. Oh, my God. Crypto tomorrow. Hooray! Crypto tomorrow. Can't wait for it. Can't believe they've whacked crypto on Robinhood UK. That was expected later in the year, so we're quite chuffed about that. Right. We come out of there. Right. Let me set Discord up. A number of people trying to join Discord go, Martyn, you always let Discord people join Discord in the morning, and you haven't done it. So we want to sort it out. Right. Let me do it now. Did I put out? Yes, I did. Did all the clips from the what do you call it? What do you call it? What's it called? What's the name of it? Inflation. That's it. Crypto going down the toilet. There you go. Walmart, that's up. Yeah, 1.2. SPCE down 2% today. Not so good. Rocket Lab firing up. SpaceX firing up. I'm loving it. Coca-Cola gone down on this morning. It's got too expensive, that's why, 90. It's going to 106, but I'm not going to chase it. Anyway, we're up. Okay. Let me go to Discord. Does anybody want to join? Right. Oh my God. Oh my God. You have to answer the question yes, and you've got 1 hour to do it. So let me do it now. I'll spend 5 minutes. It's Discord time. Time for some Discord. Now, if you reply yes to this, you have 1 hour. That's it. One time, one chance, one time. It's a very exclusive club. We don't let idiots in. We've got a lot of whales, a lot of high wealth investors, and we protect it. So okay, so if you answer yes to this, I can onboard you now on Discord. You get one chance. Let me give you, the Discord link, because you're going, I can't see the Discord link. All right, I understand that. Let me give it to you now. Here it is. I'll pin it to the top as well. It's below all our videos and everywhere. Right, let me just give you this. Can't find it. And our newsletter link, which is about to double in price. Not for everybody who's already in. Everybody who's in is already in for life. Are you able to cash out daily? Yep, for free. Yep. So there is the Discord link. Don't worry, you're asking how Robinhood works. That's Mudbusters. I will show you every day on the show. All right. So let me just pin this to the top for our Discord and our newsletter. And we'll be there answering one-on-one questions in a moment. Let me just pin that there. Okay. There's Discord. Now let me see if anyone wants to join now. So I've just got a number of applications just come in. You get 1 hour, one chance. If you mess it up, you don't get a second chance. There's 13 people just applied. So here we go. Right. That's a scam. Reject that one. Second one, 12 to go. Drop that in there. I can't read the names out for security reasons, of course. You have to answer the questions properly. Scam 2. Okay, if you are a scammer or you've got a bad account, we're only looking for the great people to join Discord. It's a private community, high wealth investors, family investors, and a friend from Instagram. Lovely. We're viral on Instagram all the time, so that's nice. Thank you to you. I recognize the name. I've seen you over there. Next one. Oh, yeah, that was good. Just make sure. Okay. I'm going to add Sensei into the call. You are a newsletter reader. Okay. Add Sensei to that. Make sure he's part of that. The next one. Oh, yes. Interview. And we've got add Sensei to the call for you. Have I already added Sensei? I think I've already added him. Yes, you're already in. Right. Let me send you the information. If you reply back to this, yes, it starts the application and you've got 1 hour. It takes like 10 minutes, but you get 1 hour and then you can never do it again. So it's there to protect our members we've already got. It's not there to make it easy for you. We want to protect our members. We don't want it getting crazy. Okay. You've tried before. So I'm asking you why you've tried before, because if you tried before and it fails, there's a reason why we either banned you or blocked you or something like that. So it's weird that you're applying again. Here we go. This is... that account is dead. That's a scammer. Reject. Never replied. So we'll block that one. Leave. I'm just doing this now manually on the show so I can make sure everyone's taken care of. Please answer to number 3. No, you didn't reply. Gone. my number one job is to protect our audience, not to sell subscriptions. That's why I give it away for a couple of bucks, just to cover the admin cost. It's not to make money. So I'm more interested in protecting my audience. No, reject. A lot of bad actors today. There you go. Next one. I'll do it all live so everyone gets a white glove service. Is what we like to do. No, reject. Don't like that one. If you don't respond in time, you just lose your spot anyway. Again, I'm not trying to get thousands to join. It's a very exclusive club. No, reject. Get rid of all these. If I think you're a scammer or you look bad, would rather go on the side of caution and protect our community than let you in. Okay, it's an exclusive club. Let me just send you. I'm going to go back now and check if I've got any yeses. Interview, not yet. Interview, I've got just 4 here now. We've cleaned out all the rubbish. No response yet. No response on that one yet. No one's on that one. Good. We're nearly done now. Leave that there. I think we are good. Great. That one is rejected. Kick that one out. Right, we're all up to date. Good. Okay, no more Discord this morning. I've tidied it all up. There's just a lot of idiots larking around. So we just banned them all. You get one chance, and once you make an idiot of yourself, you're finished. Right, okay, let's have a look. Let's look at our portfolio. So we're going down at the moment. People taking profits. That's up to them. I'll just buying more. The S&P up and pop back down again. Virgin Galactic 291. Yeah, we're dropping. Virgin Galactic is showing some signs of concern, not for the trading, because of the analysts are giving lots of warnings. SpaceX, I'm happy with it. No concern at all. It's institutions pivoting. Rocket Lab, same thing. Zaka, the same thing. Those big institutions restructuring. Palantir going up. Gold going down. I wouldn't touch it. Rigetti going down. Amazon going down. Apple going up. Enphase is my top pick for $100. Coca-Cola, a bit on sale this morning. It did pop, it got a bit excited, but I don't want to be buying it here. Texas Pacific Land up. I've got some profit in that. I could take some profit out of that this morning if I wanted to, reduce my risk. Chevron Oil going up. Tesla, I can see it going to $80. Google's going down. Microsoft up today 0.62. Meta had a nice pop this morning, but it's sold back off. People taking profits all over the place. And it's the earnings tonight, NVIDIA earnings. No, we haven't got NVIDIA earnings booked yet. If anybody wants NVIDIA earnings, you can book NVIDIA earnings tonight. We're not doing it yet. If a member wants NVIDIA earnings, it's a $10 super chat. You can get earnings buying. You can get NVIDIA earnings tonight if someone does a super chat. Walmart going back up. Yeah, I've got no issues owning that here. Robinhood's too expensive. Poet is going down. Acushnet is up. Vertical aerospace, there's no value here at the moment. Crypto just keeps on going down. Can see all of this going to near nothing, actually. Bitcoin, 50,000 target. XRP, we've got a 50 cents to 80 cents target. Ethereum, I haven't really got a target. It just follows everything else. I haven't really got a number. Not really that expert on that. But anyway, there we go. Let's do some live Q&A. Let's just do a few questions before we end. We're going to go to Discord. Let's go members only, so no one gets missed out. So let me switch from here to here to here to here. Right, we're going to go members only now. So if you've got a comment or a question, please repeat it. Oh, we are in members only mode. We were in members only mode the entire time. Oh, good. Excellent. Ah, the whole thing. That's a new thing. I didn't decide it. I just didn't realize I did it. Okay. Members only on the vertical, just in case. There you go. Wow, we've had a massive audience, members only the entire time. Lovely. Doesn't get better than that. Okay, there's that. Right. Okay, good. Let's do live Q&A then. I didn't realize we were members only. Right, facts, new reality show. You never speak of SPCE. You speak never. Sorry, I don't understand that. You're a non-member. You came from the phone. You're lucky you got in. Well, if you don't know what you're talking about, how come listening to you just saved me some loot this week among countless other times? So, well, if you don't know what you're talking about, how come listening to you just saved me some loot this week among countless other times? I don't know, Ninja Cowboy. You know, I guess the people that, I guess we think it's actually now this obsession we found out. It's just an obsession. And so, yeah. Anyway, hilarious. The Naked Investor. I'm dying laughing. Yeah, why not? I'm feeling in my fingers. Why not? Let's do the naked show. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. That's right. I haven't been naked here. I have been naked here 90% of the time this summer. 100% time on the beach. Nudity is a big thing in Spain. I would not mind if you are broadcasting naked. Oh my God. Let's start a rumor. Start a rumor. That'll be good. That'll get everybody fired up. Brilliant. Hilarious. Starline, The Nutcracker by Martyn Lucas. I saw Rocket Lab and SpaceX flash at 4 a.m. Eastern time. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, yes. Institutions are buying SpaceX. Institutions are buying Rocket Lab. Well, flipping idiots go, I don't like it going down. They only like it when it goes up. It's like crypto the other day. When crypto went up the other day, everyone decided to buy it. We bought it at 99 cents, and all the crypto bros who think I'm an idiot bought it at 150. And then, I mean, we don't even listen anymore. Look, I mean, literally, I'm banning people now for a laugh on X. Other people are trying to get followers. I'm banning people. I find it more entertaining. It's more, if you're an idiot, ban, you know, who cares? You're no value to anybody. Laughing my ass off. Celebrates the Naked Investor shirt. Go on, shall we do it? The next, I mean, in a couple of days' time, we get to vote. The Naked Investor, literally in 2 days' time? I think it's Friday. I think Friday we vote on the T-shirt for September. The Naked Investor, Ninja Cowboy, could be the thing. It could be a popular one. Hello, mine. I have X money set up. Hey, AGM. Right. Have you already got it set up? Have you got it set up? Do you want me to unlock it? Is it already unlocked? Do you want me to send you some money? If I send you some money, are you going to send me a super chat? AGM, what's going on? Do you want me to do it? What's going on? What do you want me to do? What's that? That can't be your at Tesla.com. I don't need your email. I need your username. And you got to post and you got to comment. Go and comment on X and I'll come back to it. But if you got it set up, do you need me to send you any money? You've already got it. What do you want? And if I send you money, do I get it back? Do I get a super chat? What's the purpose of sending you free money? Right? The idea is to set it up for you. If you already set it up, what's the point? Let me know what you mean. I'm not sure what to do. Ninja Cowboy. I think the next T-shirt, holy shit, the expression Martin used, the XRP got liquidated. Hyper fans. Inflation. Yes. Inflation. Hello all. Austin Sims. Hello, Austin. How are you? Are you able to cash out daily? Yes, you are. Not sure how Robinhood works. What do you want to know? Join us on Discord in a minute. We'll tell you all about it. Hello all. Welcome all. Yay, bless you. Thank you. SPCE 290. I know. I'm worried about it. Yeah. Oh, Virgin Galactic. Yeah. Yeah. See why I didn't buy yesterday? Everyone's going, Martyn, why don't you just buy? Well, look what happened. Institutions are talking bad about it now. It could go down a lot lower. I mean, you got to consider these things. All right? You got to consider these things. Don't just willy-nilly think, oh, I just keep buying. XRP going down. Well, of course it's going down. Could be 80 cents. What analysis? I can't remember the names off the top of my head. About 2 or 3 days ago, I was reading some reports. I can't remember now. I shared it on Discord. All about the analysts saying it was re-rating the stock. X Money is rolling out to US premium subscribers, and maybe not all are premium members. Maybe, JD. Which analyst are you talking about? Yeah, I can't remember now. A couple of days ago, I put it on Discord. The names in my head are not there. Oops, sorry, Cap. Don't apologise. It's okay, mate. No worries. My X account is under review for a bluey. Oh. Bought some more Rocket Lab. Oh. Mecha shirt. The Naked Investor. Are we catching a falling knife? Yes, but we're catching it carefully. Hello from Nottingham. Hello, Beardo. The fruity fellas are back. Yeah, apparently the trolls have got an obsession. Apparently that's what it is. I found out from their neighbours. Yeah, apparently they were infatuated with me. Now I don't want to. Now I really don't want to take it. Now I really don't want to know about it anymore. Right. So next money. Oh, hello. And let's see.
At Time Life 6123 tipped $10 through Super Chat. Sent X Money and let's see AJM Life at Anthony Moore 98.
Did you comment then? Right. Hang on then. All right then. All right, one-time deal. Did you comment? You got to have commented. If you haven't commented, I'm not doing it. I'm not just giving you my free money for no reason. Hang on, let's have a look. So did he comment? So I'm going to go to the post. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens. So go to the post. There's the post. Right, did he comment? If he hasn't commented, he's out of luck. Relevant. Recent. He hasn't commented. He hasn't commented. Hey, AJM, I can't give you free money. You're not commented. You're not playing the game, mate. Look, here's the link. If you don't comment on the X, I'm not sending you free money. Copy link. Right, let me drop it in the chat. There you go. There you go. I did. Well, you're a different person. I did. Chickdo stacks. I did. Yeah, but I'm trying to find out. This person here, AJM, says that I've super chat. AJM. I'm waiting for him to comment, but he hasn't commented. I just did now. Okay, good. Don't try and cheat the rules. You still haven't done it. Look. Oh. I need you to comment to the post. Click on the link. Most recent. No. You haven't done it. You haven't done it. I can't do it. I was just about to do it. We're running out of time. We're running out of time, mate. I did just now. Let me just have a look. No, look. Brendan, Ninja Cowboy, Slim, Wilfredo, Robert, Ice Bailey, The Big Burn, Exploring, ND. You're called AJM. AJM. No. Don't see it. Don't see it. Relevant. Try it, search another way. Relevant. No. I was going to do it, but you haven't commented, so I can't. That's the rules. The rules are don't do it unless someone comments. Probable spam. Let's see if you're in there. Will, Chico, Paisley. I was going to do it right now, but I can't do it because you're not commenting. Let me refresh this. Let me refresh the whole thing. Let me come in and out, shake it all about. Let me do it here. X is still reacting, still processing. It's not. It's fine. Oh, your $10,000 deposit will be available on August 28th. Look at that. See? I bet you thought I was making it up, right? Martyn's not really sending $10,000 to X. Your $10,000 deposit will be available. See, I'm trying to give it away, but no one's commented. No one's commented, so I can't. You lost your money. Lost your money. Let me click on it again. Relevant. Recent. Nate Phillips, 24 minutes ago. No. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. If not, you lose. You lose $10,000. I was going to give it all away. Here's the copy link. I'm trying to send some money to people, but no one's commenting. So there's the link. There's the link in the chat. All you got to do is click on that link and leave a comment. Now, I'm looking for AJM. AJM said, maybe refresh. I've refreshed 50 times, mate. I've refreshed 50 times. If I go on to profile and I click refresh, I'll do it again. Look, you're watching me do it. And I go to the post, the one I asked you to comment on, and I click on it, and I look below, most recent, and I don't see you. 25 minutes ago, no one's commented. Nate Phillips, Brendan, Ninja Cowboy, Slim, no. Yep. Trying to give money away, can't do it. So that's it. Add your chips. I saw it at the bottom, at the relevant. Oh, you saw it at the relevant post. Hang on. Were you in relevant? Hang on. Recent, relevant. Hang on, relevant. Hang on. Alan Pratt says, I saw it. Right, there's Robert. There's Lee Bailey. There's Nate Phillips. There's Ende. There's Durett. Imploring, Ninja Cowboy. Conan, Chicky, Slim, The Big Burn, M, Dat Soldier, Ninja Cowboy, Show More. Connie, Will. You said you saw it. Well, how the bloody hell do you see it and I don't see it? No. Healing. Anthony. No. How the hell can you see it and I can't see it? I saw it at the bottom of the relevant post. How can you see it when I'm looking and I don't see it? Oh, hang on. AJM, Anthony. It's because he said his name was Anthony. He told me he's... Oh, bloody hell, Anthony. Maybe... Anthony, you said your flipping username was AJM. It's Anthony Mouth. You give me the wrong bloody username. You gave me your display name. How many bloody times do I tell people to give me the right bloody username and they give me a display name? That's me. I know it's you now. You're lucky because was it Ninja Cowboy? Said no. Alan Pratt said he saw it. So you're lucky because you're supposed to give me the username and you gave me your display name. So you're bloody lucky there. Right. Ew. You got lucky there, mate. I'm telling you that for nothing. Let's see if it works. Right. Let's see if it works. You got lucky there, mate. Shush. Messing me around here. Live on the telly. Right. Let's have a look. X money. Go into it. Use me face. Use me face. Okay. I'm in. Oi! I got $37 now. It's going up minute by minute. All the interest. Woo! That's not $10 interest in one day, Martyn. No, I'm just making that up. I sent $10 more. Right, I've earned 1 cent on $27 in one day. I'll take it. 6%. Now then, send. send to someone on X. Typing it in. And I'm going to type in your bloody username because I know how this stuff works. Not your bloody display name. Anthony. MAUTHE 98. AJM Life. Oh, I think it's going to work. I need to make a video. I think it's going to work. Right. I think it's going to work. Oh, yes, indeedy. Right. You ready? Okay, where should we go? We need a nice... let's go to this screen here. It might work. Never done it before. Right. Make a screen look good. Have a nice screen. That looks good, doesn't it? Right, we'll have that. Right. Here we go. Right. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're about to give away some X money live on the show. Very exciting. How much am I going to give away? 869,000. No, not that much. But we are going to give away some X money on the show right now. We're running a little thing earlier to see if we can unlock people's accounts. I think we found one. So over on my X, we've been running a little campaign. And we've been saying, send us comments, say hello and stuff like that. Here it is. This is our X. Let me just get over there to you. It's a bit weird. Let me show you. I'm making this live. Right. So on my X account, and I'll give you the link in the description, pinned to the comments, above my head, down here in a minute. But right now, on my post, I said this. Elon Musk gave me $25. He did. Right. And he selected me because I'm that important. Right. This is an X money test. I am randomly picking people because I want to help people get X money, turn it all on. They can earn 6%, right? I'm trying to help people. So if you repost this, comment, like, I don't know, leave me a comment. We're randomly picking people out. Well, a few moments ago, somebody commented and said, pick me. And then there was a bit of a chaos in the show because they went below here and I said, send me your username. And of course, they sent me the display name. And then we went round and round for 10 minutes trying to find it. Couldn't find it because they couldn't give the right name. Anyway, AJM, Anthony, look. This person here, hello Martin, I'm on X money. Maybe refresh, send me. See if it works. So now we're going to see if it works. So I pick up my phone, me X money. Look, this is me X money over here. And I typed in his name. And I've typed in the correct name. None of this bloody display name, right? Anthony Mouth 98, which is AJM Life. And we're going to test it. We're going to see if this unlocks and it all works. You ready? Okay, so I'm clicking on his name. Now, I don't know what happens. Earlier on, we tried it live on the show. It didn't work, right? Because people weren't set up properly. This person might be, because it says here, he follows me. Now, maybe it's because he follows me. Earlier on, people might not have followed me. I don't know. You got to be a good person, right, to get free money. Oh, right. The screen is up. Look at that. See it? Let me go zoom in. There's me. I got $37 at the moment. I got 10 grand on the way, another 100 grand in a few days. So I got $37 so far, earning 6%. Yay! 6%. Elon Musk, my new friend. He sent me $25 and now I'm earning 6%. Right. And there's AJM, Anthony Mouth, 98. I'm going to test it with a $1 tip. We're going to see what happens. Punch it in. Now, it's only $1 because I've got like nearly 10,000 friends. I could be sending lots of money all over the place today. If I give everyone $10,000, I'll be bankrupt. So I'm starting with $1. $1. Here it comes. Optionally, add a note. Shall I add a note? Watch. Let me add a note. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Next time, get your bloody username right. Because we could have done this 3 hours ago. We've wasted so much time. Right. Okay. Done. I've added the comment. Now, are you in the chat now? AGM, are you in the chat? If you've buggered off, mate, there's going to be hell up. I need you to confirm you got the money. AJM, are you in the chat? Are you caught up? Press the ×2. Speed up. God, he's not even in the chat. Wrong username. Now he's not in the chat. It's an absolute bloody nightmare trying to give people free money. All right? So zip forward. Get on with it. Hello, mate, says Widget. It's not you, is it? Where's AJM? He's behind. He's buggered off. He's gone to the toilet. Oh, God. Right. I'm going to click the pay button. Now, to make this a really good video, live, I'm hoping he reacts. But I think he's buggered off, gone to the toilet, down the pub. I don't even think he even knows what's going on. Anyway, click pay. You sent money. I sent money. Look, I sent money. I paid money for this. You sent $1 to Anthony Mouth, 98. Done. My money's gone down by $1. It was 37. It's now 36. I've just lost $1. Right? So, let me check the activity. It says, yep, $1 has gone. Now then, we want to find out. There's tense music now, ladies and gentlemen. Tense music. I need to know in the chat, did AGM? No way. He got it in 1 second. Look at this, folks. Money received 1 second. Who the bloody hell needs crypto now? People going, oh, you need crypto to send money. You can send money around the world for free for zero. Free for zero. Unbelievable. Look at that. So it worked. Thank you for the donation. Look at that. He got his money in 1 second for free. No fees. Can you just confirm you got $1? Can you just confirm it was $1? I will send you a screenshot in Discord. Fantastic. Can you do it now? Can you do it now before we move on? Ooh. You can now send money to anybody on X around the world for free. 1 second, no fee, nothing. Brilliant. He got it. Right. Did you get the whole $1? I'm going to go Discord now. I'm going to see if I'm going to see if you sent me a message. AGM, here it is. $1. Martyn Lucas, here it is. He got the whole thing. Look at this. This has happened live. Look at this. $1. Hello, mate. He also got $25 from Elon Musk. Now you're making me look bad. You could have screened that out, mate. People thought Elon Musk just sent me. Anyway, look at that. $1. He got it. Next time, get your bloody username right. There you go. It proves it works. Look at this, folks. So, what about it? What about it? What about it? You can now send money around the world in 1 second, instantly, no fee, no charges, no conversion. This was the end of crypto. Holy flipping moly. You don't even need it anymore and earn 6%. Ooh, what a big day. If you want to join in, you want to get some free money, I can believe it.
Ed Anubis XRP has become a member.
I was thinking it'd be 10 grand, said Anubis. I thought you were sending $10,000. Wow. Mate, take it or leave it, mate. Click above my head for the links down below in the description. Follow me on X, get part of it. I'm going to randomly pick money to send. I'm going to randomly send people money now. I don't care. Over here, there'll be links to stuff. Links to stuff. I'm loving this. Don't go anywhere. I'm not really ending. I'm just ending because I'm making a video. All right, I can do stuff like that. All right, and that's it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Hooray! Oh my God, I'm going to put a really quick short out. Really quick short out. This is awesome. That's the end of crypto. Basically, you don't need crypto. That's the only reason why you own crypto. Buy shares in SpaceX. They own X. Right. Okay. There we go. Look at this. This is great. I'm going to make a video on this. Okay. This is awesome. I love this. This is like good. Right. You ready? The end of crypto. Elon Musk just stuffed it to everybody who trades crypto. This is hilarious. You don't want to miss this. Trust me, this is the most important video you're ever going to see. Live on the show this morning using X money, Elon's X money. And remember, SpaceX owned a little bit of this. So that's why I'm investing in SpaceX. Elon Musk just stuffed it to crypto. And he literally wiped the floor with it. This is what just happened a few seconds ago. I've just made a video in a live show showing you this could be the absolute total domination end of crypto as we know it. Not for all crypto, but the rubbish, the binky bonks, the fart coins. And right now, we told you XRP was going down to 50 cents, 80 cents. We called it at 99 was the bounce. We told you at 176 was the top. And now we're telling you this could go down to 80 or even 50 cents because you simply don't need it. The only reason to own it has now been blown out of the water. So what happened a few seconds ago, and you can go and watch the video. This is a very quick little short video. We just did it live on the show. We set up X money, earning 6%. 6%. Yes, it's an introductory rate. It probably won't last forever, but right now it's 6%. And I sent one of my followers today a $1 tip. I know. It's only $1. I'm tight, aren't I? I've got nearly $1 million. I sent $1 in 1 second. He received it. Zero fees. Zero fees. You don't need to convert it. You don't need to send it to one wallet to the other wallet. It's got institutional grade insurance, FDIC up to $10 million, more than any other bank. So you've got security with the cash that sits in your X. You can send it to somebody in 1 second, pay zero fees, no conversion, no wallets, no transferring, no exchange rates, no flipping gas fees, nothing. Zero. You can cash out straight away. You can send it back to your bank, zero fees, straight away. Give me one reason why you would invest in crypto on the basis of that. I would prefer to invest in SpaceX that owns X. Easy, really, and that is exactly what I'm doing. That is the beginning of the future of the Everything app. It worked. We tested it. Now, if you want to see how we did it, go and watch this video. Go and see exactly how it played out. And I think that is the killer for crypto. The only reason that you have crypto is it goes up in price and you can use it. You can now use it for free on X instantly in 1 second. How about that? Tell me a reason why you need to guess and gamble on crypto today. Just buy SpaceX. Easy. Click above my head for the link down below over here. I'll put the video. Go and check out the whole thing, how we did it, how it works. I've got 2 videos. I've got one video here, and then the link to X. This is my link to X, the post where I actually talk about it, and you can get some free money because I'm randomly going to pick people and see if we can unlock X money for you. So down here is the X post. You need to repost it, like, comment. Give me a reason why I should send you some money. Just for a laugh, I just randomly pick people. Down here, over here is the video all about X money. And down here is the video where we just literally did it on live TV of how it actually works. Amazing. I love it. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to end this because I'm making it during a live stream. We do it all live, unedited, unscripted, as it happened. Just simply buy SpaceX, in my opinion, and maybe get some free money. I don't know. There you go. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, we got to wrap this party up. I've got to go to the Discord. We're going to be there in a second. Right, what a day. I mean, what a day. I mean, is there any reason? Do you need, I mean, what is the reason you need crypto then? Tell me why you need, I can't think of one single reason why I would need to own crypto. Hello, what's happened to this? Let me get out of there. Right, there you go. Okay, cool. Right, we got Discord in 10 minutes. I got to be quick. There's loads going on. Let me refresh that. I wish I could do more faster. There's so much to do. So much to do. Why? What are you saying? At 58, 57.08 actually. Right. I didn't get any money unless you live in the UK. Alan Pratt was right again. Alan Pratt was right again. Alan Pratt was right again. There you go. Alan Pratt White was right again. Yes, there it is. He got 100% of the money. I love it. Are you out with SpaceX? No, of course I'm not. I would tell you if I was selling. Why do people keep asking me? I share all my trades. Sweet, sweet. Now Elon's going to be a multi-trillionaire. X can possibly control sending all digital money. Banks won't like that. There you go. Yeah, was right again. Alan Pratt was right again. Crypto as smart contracts. Will they still be necessary? No. I'm out of crypto. Absolutely out of crypto. And down it goes. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Can I buy some more Rocket Lab? I don't mind buying more. I don't mind buying more at all. 66.34. I'm excited. I'm excited. I can see where this is all going. 66.65. I could buy a bit more. I don't really need any more though. I've got more than I need. Yeah, it's gonna bounce. I'm okay for the minute. Right, I'm gonna go over Discord. We've got 10 minutes. Wow. Banks are better step up now to the plate. Is Tesla still a meme stock? Tesla's going at $80. I think crypto's buggered. Absolutely, crypto is buggered. That is literally it. That's all you want crypto for. Send money instantly. No fit. I mean, that is nuts. Why? What reason do you want XRP? Oh, we can go on. No, X, SpaceX, the everything app. That's it. I'm done. I'm out of crypto. 100%. I'm all in. I want more SpaceX. I want to own more of X. I mean, that's it. Interesting. X money using crossover bank has been using Ripple's real-time settlement protocol since 2014. Yeah, a lot of people have mentioned that. Oh God, I've got to make another video on that, haven't I? The takeover. Elon Musk is going to drive the stock down so he can take it over. That's why. I've got a Discord. We'll make more videos in a minute. Yes, I'm going to copy that message. I've been thinking about this for a couple of days. I need to speak to Ripple though. I can speak to them and I want to find out what's behind this. What's behind Elon Musk and Ripple and this, because this is a big one. I'm going to copy that and add that and make a video on that. Okay, we're going to go Discord. We've got to be on Discord in a minute, right? Okay, brilliant. Okay, good. Let me go over to Discord. Let me create an event. Okay, good. Discord, event, create event. Stage channel, pro event, yeah. Wow, what now? 10 o'clock, yes. Have I got any appointments today? Check my calendar. Any? No one's booked any analysis videos today. That's easy. Okay, good. What now? Yes. Upload a cover image. Apply. Next. Wow, what now? Create event. 7 minutes. Okay, done. Events, copy link. Let me see what's going on with Virgin Galactic as well. People didn't like it last night when I said it was going down, and they said, oh no, you've got to keep buying, Martin, keep buying. I said, no. They're not, now they're seeing why, aren't they? Yeah, more buy-ins to SpaceX this morning. Right. Okay. Let me put that link there. How long have I got? 5 minutes. At everyone. Live now. Send that there. Publish. Confirm. Right. Okay, I'll be there. I'll be over there on Virgin Galactic. I'll be over there on Discord in 4 minutes. Okay. Ninja Cowboy, what was that? What's the catalyst? SPCE 289. Tesla as a cybercab launch on the 3rd. The index 406. SpaceX shares for each Tesla share. See you in Discord. So it could be true that Elon wants to start his own bank. Looks like he has. He's already started it. Watch videos on him talking about monetary system, new future system. Who is covering NVIDIA tonight? No one's asked to do it yet. It's a $10 super chat if you want me to cover it. And there's no point doing it if nobody wants it. So no one did a super chat tonight for NVIDIA. So at the moment, no one's covering it. We asked for 2 or 3 days. No one wanted it. So it doesn't look like we're doing it. If you've got like 30 seconds, $10 super chat if you want me to cover it. I will cover it. X Money is using Bank Ripple for the cross-border payment is what I understand. Yes. Well, waiting in Discord. I hope Extra. Well, I will hop on Extra and listen to replays later. Yes, I'll send you all to Extra now as well. Hello, everyone. Hello, Yeston. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Okay. I'm going to record this really quickly. Okay, here we go. XRP. Did XRP just get everything? Did XRP just get a lifeline? A few moments ago, I made a video. You may have seen it. I'll link it to this one. XRP could be about to take off, and I'll explain why. On my last video, if you've not seen it, I'll be a link above my head down here at the end. It'll take you back to it. I've just shown you 2 or 3 things. First of all, Elon Musk has just killed crypto. Live on the show, we sent money across the world using X Money, live on the show, instant money, instant trade, no fees, no conversion, no gas fees, no deductions, no costs, 0. I sent money, one person to another. It arrived in 1 second. That's the only reason why we have crypto, right? Elon Musk, SpaceX owns X. This is the whole thing. This is why I'm big on SpaceX. All my money is in SpaceX. This is a big day for that. But here's the thing. There is a partnership here. Interesting that X Money is using Cross River Bank infrastructure for back end, and Cross River Bank has been using Ripple for real-time settlement protocol since 2014. Now, what is actually happening? Now, all I care about is SpaceX is going to be the biggest, most successful company in the world, and Elon Musk now runs the monetary system. We've just done it live on our show. It just happened. No more waiting, not even a split second to send money. That kills Bitcoin. You got Michael Saylor saying you can send money and it costs a fortune. It takes a long time. It's instant, it's straight away, and it's free. Now, how is he doing it? How is he moving it? Well, we know there's a partnership with Cross River Bank. They've been using Ripple. Is this what's happening? Well, I think, and I've said before, 99% of crypto is all going to zero. Right? Thank you very much indeed.
Tipped €5.99 through super chat.
It's a $10 super chat.
NVDA tonight.
It's a $10 super chat if you want me to cover Nvidia. That's only $6. You're probably going to go, it's €1, so is it probably about right? Okay, if it's about right, that's good enough for me. Nvidia earnings tonight. So 99% of all crypto is going down the toilet. There'll be a few things left. Maybe digital gold is Bitcoin. Maybe XRP is the payment rails. But what we do know is SpaceX is where I've got 1.1 million of my money. That is all in on X. X has just done it. We've done it on a live show. We sent money from one account to another instantly for free, straight away, and it worked amazingly. So we've just done that, and there's no fee, no gas fees, no time, nothing. The perfect possible trading system just happened. If you want to see how we did it, and you also want to learn how X money works, earning 6%. But is this the end of crypto, but the savior for XRP? Is all this happening on Ripple? Well, there is a partnership there. We don't know. I wouldn't guess or gamble, because XRP we think is going to be at 80 or 50 cents before it goes up. Own SpaceX. You own the money. You own X. You own it all. Who the hell cares? Who cares? Who gambles? Right, above here, down here, in the comments, in the description, I'll give you the video. I just put out a video here. This is all about X. This is about the trade I just did. This is about the X. The trade. This is all about the trade I just did. Like, I'm making this quick. I should be on Discord. There's loads going on. It's happening really quickly. We think XRP is going down to 80 cents, if not 50 cents. You could own SpaceX. You have this. Is it the end of crypto? Is it the savior XRP? Gamble, guess, or just own SpaceX and be done with it. I'm really looking at that now. I'm just thinking, own the hell out of SpaceX. Own it all. Don't have to guess. Don't have to gamble. That's it from me, guys. I'll see you back in a bit. I'm ending this right now. Don't go anywhere. I'm just ending it. Pretend, you know what I mean. Take care of yourselves. It's a crazy day today. Woof. Can't believe it. Anubis, no, I'm not just realizing this. I'm making it for a video, okay? I'm just letting everybody know about the cross-river bank infrastructure. I'm not saying I'm just finding this out. I know about all the thousands of partnerships. That's nothing new. I'm just making the point just so the video goes to people who've never seen it before. They don't know about the 5 million videos we've made before this. All right? Okay. So I just want to be clear that you're just trying to make out the point that I've just realized they've got partnerships. I've known they've got partnerships for, 5 years? I've been talking to Ripple for like 3 years. So I've had a good idea for a while. Anyway, it's time to go up. The second part of NVIDIA. Okay, we'll do it. NVIDIA, we're covering it. Don't worry. I've got to go Discord right now. That's it.
At Remco Vandermeer 1,655 tip €2.49 through super chat.
Right.
This is part 2 of NVDA.
Yes. Okay, I've got it. Let's go to this live show. Add it to the extra channel. Let me do it right now. Live, yes. Add it to the extra channel. I'll send everybody now to extra. Everybody else, we've got to go on Discord. Extra channel, restream. There it is. Let me give everyone the link to extra. You can click on the link. It will take you there automatically. Control C. Yeah, everyone's been buying SpaceX all of a sudden. Oh, I get it. Yes. Live now on. I've got to make videos the way people see it for the first time, right? Okay. There is live now on extra. It's automatically going to take you there. Let me pin that to the top. Replace the pin. Let me add it to extra. Here we go. Go over here. You watch a replay of what you just missed. Let's refresh the screen. Scroll down here. Come on. I'm in a rush. I ain't got time for this nonsense. Keep on going. Scroll up to there. Take from the beginning. Take that to there. Whoops-a-daisy. That to there. Very, very good. Scroll to there. Yeah. Make it full screen. Okay, good. We're now over on Extra. It'll take you there directly or click on the link. Either way, I'll see you on Extra in the chat and on Discord. This is where we're going. You can see I'm just bringing it up. There is the replay. So if you've missed all of this, join me on Extra. Extra is going to be bigger than the main channel. We literally have, that's our fastest growing channel at the moment, the Extra channel. All right, so catch what you've missed. I'll see you over there now. Everybody else on Discord. That's it from me. Sorry for all the chaos. It's been rushing around, lots to do. Stay ahead of the game is hard. Elon Musk has just thrown a big curveball. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.